one more video. I was going to show you guys how to replace the window switch. The mirrors aren't working on the passenger side. The button just gets stuck. I'll show you real fast. You can adjust the left side. You can see it's moving. They'll fold in. The button's kind of sticky. They'll fold back out. But if you try to adjust this other side, it just blinks for the left side. So what we're going to need is a pry tool. Pry this piece up. You got one pigtail harness. Unplug the pigtail harness. It just snaps in. There's 3 clips on either side. One there, one there, and one there. We'll pop that out. We'll put the other one in, plug it back in. We'll see if it works. Also, before I forget, there is a bolt. You can see the hole there. There's a little cover. Use a pick or a 90-degree pry tool. And there's no bolt in this one, so we'll be throwing another bolt back in it. And like I said, we'll see if this works. If not, we'll have to do some wiring diag. See if maybe there's a wiring issue over there at that side of the mirror. It appears to be the switch though, the way it's blinking whenever you try to select one side or the other side. See, now it's doing nothing. So we will go from there and I'll let you know. I'm sorry, I did get a little bit ahead of myself. The clips are actually there, there, and there. It's not these lower pieces. That's actually for the actual switch itself. As you can see, I'm getting this thing popped out, so I get it popped out, switched out. We'll see if this works. I'm sure it will. Got my new part right here, straight from Mercedes. Go ahead and pop this bad boy in. And see if I can do this with one hand. My phone's about to die. Set you right here for a second. So I did get that plug back in. Don't want to fight it because it is all made of plastic nowadays. There we go. And now we'll try it. So as you can see, the mirrors fold in both sides. Can adjust this mirror. Now it's not blinking. I can adjust that mirror. All good. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll throw a bolt in this. And thanks for watching, guys.